Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I only got back to Rose yesterday night and today's just going to be kind of a resetting my life and order vlog. I need to order food, do some meal prep, get some studying done, do a little bit of exercise. I also may need a nap because we stayed up watching the rugby last night, the final. South Africa won, which is amazing. But yes, now it's time to get started with the day because I did have a bit of a lie-in. It's now like 8:30 when they woke up about 20 minutes ago. So we have a lot to do, but it should be a great day. So now some breakfast, very much needed. I made some overnight chocolate oats last night. So we're going to enjoy these. And actually I've just remembered that I bought myself this book like last weekend, which I haven't started yet because I haven't been here. So I'm gonna start reading her and eat some food. Food has been consumed, and so now I'm going to go through some past papers that I have for my exam tomorrow.
And then I'll go through those kind of in conjunction with the notes, like the questions I don't know, I refer to my notes instead of going through all the notes. And hopefully the questions tomorrow will be similar.
And then I do need to do a checkers order in a little bit so that I actually have lunch and dinner stuff. But yeah, we haven't had Wi-Fi here since yesterday. It went off, I don't know, some cable broke, so they're busy trying to fix it at the moment. I'm really hoping that it's fixed soon because it's not very easy doing work and not having access to the internet. But yes, that's what's happening now. So it's now a few hours later. I've just been going through a past paper and now it's time to make some lunch because my food's been delivered. So I'm planning on making a really nice and nourishing soup for the week because the weather's starting to turn, like the wind outside is very cold. I think it snowed in the Berg, so we're gonna make that so that we have an easy meal for while I'm busy studying. I've left my soup to do some simmering away, grabbed one of my biscuits that I made in the last video, I think, and some tea. Now we're gonna do a little bit more going through past papers.
That was a very bad sentence construction, I apologise. And my soup will probably take about an hour till she's done. Then we'll eat her, work some more, and then I'll hopefully have time to go to the gym. I think I should, even if I only go for like half an hour. I think it would be good to just challenge my muscles a bit. And then I'm also making dinner for me and my boyfriend tonight, so that should be fun. But that's basically all the plans.
A beautiful little bowl of soup now to enjoy, and then we shall return to eating some more. Oh, it smells so just heartwarming. Look at those noodles. To be honest, I'm not generally like a noodle soup person, but because I have them in my cupboard, I thought I might as well use them, and I'm very excited to see what this tastes like. My brain has now officially reached the like saturation point for new knowledge, so I'm gonna head to the gym now and do a little full body workout, and then I might do a little bit of work later when I get back after I've had a bit of a break, depending on my energy levels, but we'll see. So I just got back from the gym. Honestly, it was a great session. I haven't like just gone and lifted weights, oh my hair, in a very long time. So right now I need to start cooking dinner, I think. So it'll probably take, I would guess, about 40 minutes, and it's now 5:30, so I mean, I would like it to be done sooner rather than later. So I'm gonna do that now and then do a little bit more work while she simmers away, and then probably like call it for the day and maybe do a little bit of work tomorrow morning. But yeah, that's the fun plans for right now. this is pretty much the end of the video. I'm just going to finish off my day with doing a little bit of journaling because I haven't really just like brain vomited my words onto the page in a while, and I think it's a good thing to do, especially because I have an exam tomorrow and I just need my brain to be in kind of the most focused space as possible. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed and got a little bit of inspiration, or just liked seeing me get my life back into order. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.